Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I've used AI, in this case Gemini, to come up with a one-word pair. I think I improved that script, but I guess I didn't. Uh, and so I've got a bunch of word pairs here, and if we scroll down, you'll see I've got maybe 100 or so, 200. But I noticed there were quite a lot of duplicates, so I asked Gemini to come up with a formula to sort the unique, and here is the sorted unique, which gives me about 70 plus, yeah, 76 pairs from 215 or so. Uh, that's a handy little function in Google Sheets. I hope that's useful. Please like, subscribe, share if this has been helpful. Thank you for watching and happy computing.